Hello, my name is Carolyn Hunter, and I chose to attend UC Blue Ash, the BTAS Applied Administration program, because I currently work full time, and this program allowed me the opportunity to attend classes in person as well as online. So this hybrid course was really key in allowing me to receive my bachelor's degree. My takeaway from this program is that it offers a breadth of knowledge and a very wide variety of courses, from human resources to ethical issues, to touching on some legal issues as well as applied business administration writing, as well as giving you an education and background on how to handle business management situations and leadership skills. I personally feel this program was the best for me, and I highly recommend it for anyone who is attempting to go back for their bachelor's degree after a time period. Thank you.